So you got a standard pill block assembly. This one's designed for a 1-inch diameter shaft. Has a grease nipple and a cap. On this side it has a taper lock eccentric collar, and the collar jam fits the shaft to maintain that the inner race is locked on the shaft, so the bearings are always doing their job. Then on the other side you see a little cut in the cast iron there and there. It's just a relief. And if you take one finger on the top, one and your thumb on the bottom, and add some pressure, or just take a shaft and bend it one way or the other, and it's designed to tilt top and bottom. So this is an older style, or older used. I can just push on the top and the bottom like so, and that's what creates the self-alignment. It is allowed to self-align because it is a ball design, and they're allowed to be shifted up to 15 degrees. That's the standard. So if you rotate it completely, it's not an easy rotate with one hand. And you get it to 90 degrees, it will just remove. And when you remove it, you can see that there is a cut line machined into the bearing, and then you got the pinhole for the grease, and then there's another pinhole that's probably for coolant during machining purposes, and that's it. You got the one pinhole for the grease. There it is again. So when you put it back in, the collar or that grease groove always needs to be lined up on the back side or in line with the grease nipple. On the inside there's as well a little machined groove for the grease to wrap the casting. And you can see it's cut right into the grease nipple. So to place it back in, you just put her in nice and lightly. It will come to a stop, and you just slightly rotate it back up. And voila, she's back aligned. Thanks for watching, guys.